Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to move your designs between computers, share editable files with a teammate, or just back up your work, today's tutorial will be super helpful. I'm going to take you step by step through the process of importing Figma files in Figma 2025, including how to save your current work to a Fig file, export it safely, and then bring it right back into Figma so you're ready to keep designing. You'll learn not only the clicks but also why each step matters so your workflow stays smooth and worry-free. So let's jump straight in. To start, let's talk about saving your Figma file in the right format. This is crucial because Figma's collaborative cloud-based platform sometimes makes us forget that we can, and should, create manual backups or exports, especially if we're changing devices, working offline, or sharing designs outside our regular team. Think of this first part as making a snapshot of your project, something you can carry anywhere or store for peace of mind. You'll want to make sure the file you want to export is open in Figma. Once you're inside the file, head up to the main menu. That's those three horizontal lines at the upper left corner of your Figma window. Click on it, then go to File. Here, look for and select Save Local Copy. What's happening here is Figma will package all your canvas content, layers, and resources into a single file with the Fig extension. It's like creating a zip file, but just for Figma, easy to share, upload, or import later. Now Figma will ask where you want to store this file on your computer. Choose a location that's easy to find: your desktop, a special project folder, wherever works for you. Hit save and you're done. Don't worry if Figma takes a few seconds to process, it's just gathering all your design data. Now let's move to the exciting part, importing that saved file back into Figma 2025. This could be because you're switching machines, working from a different workspace, or maybe you've just received a file from a colleague. Either way, importing keeps your design journey seamless, so let's go through it together. To begin, open up Figma 2025 if you aren't there already. Once again, click on the main menu at the top left, then go down to File, and this time select New. Now notice there's an option called Import from. Yes, this is where you want to go, even though we're dealing with Figma files. Figma bundles imports here for both Sketch and Fig formats, so don't let the name confuse you. Click on Import from Sketch, and a window will pop up letting you find that file you saved earlier. Go ahead and browse for it. Remember the location you chose before. Once you've found it, select the file and hit Open. Give Figma a moment, it'll process the file, and then just like magic, your design will open in your Drafts section. All your work is right where you left off, ready for you to edit, share, or build on further. This process is safe, so you don't need to worry about losing layers, components, or design settings in most cases. If something doesn't look quite right, check back to make sure you exported the latest version or reach out for help. Figma's community and forums are always handy. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to save your designs as Figma files and import them into Figma 2025 like a pro. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, drop any questions or your own tips in the comments, and hit subscribe so you're always in the loop for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.